We had a couple samples of the Bliss recipe box, bamboo recipe box, so I thought I'd show you them both. This is one where you can see it says married, the date of the marriage, and you can see the engraving. It's really nice high resolution engraving. And this is one where it's not for a wedding, it's probably for just an anniversary or something like that. Inside you'll see each one of these features a nice little lid that you can set your recipe card onto so you can look at it while you're reading. And then you'll see it's got recipe card dividers as well. These are 4x6. It's 100% solid, sustainable bamboo. So bottom is bamboo too. So very sturdy and reliable. These will make nice wedding presents, I hope, for two happy couples.